Teeth have a complex structure comprised of different tissues with different functions. Hard dental tissues comprise of enamel, which can be up to 2.5 millimeters thick, dentine, which is about 3 to 10 millimeters thick, and cementum, which ranges between 5 and 800 micrometers in thickness. Dentine hypersensitivity arises when tubules found within dentine become exposed. Gingival recession is seen as the most common cause of dentine exposure. However, tooth wear can also expose these dentine tubules. Dentine is thought to be composed of up to 70% inorganic materials, 20% organic materials, and 10% water. Hydroxyapatite is the main inorganic compound found within dentine and contains calcium and phosphate ions. It is embedded within a collagen network which forms the majority of the organic material found within dentine. Running through the dentine are microscopic channels, which are referred to as dentine tubules. These are up to 3 micrometers in diameter. Cells called odontoblasts can be found at the end of the fluid-filled tubules and can be surrounded by nerve endings which extend from the pulp. The hydrodynamic theory is the most widely accepted explanation for dentine hypersensitivity. This theory proposes that dentine hypersensitivity results from fluid movement within dentine tubules. This fluid movement can result from various stimuli, commonly including thermal, tactile, or osmotic stimuli. Such movement can trigger the activation of the nerve endings within the dentine tubules. Sensodyne Repair and Protect is a daily toothpaste for the treatment and prevention of dentine hypersensitivity. Sensodyne Repair and Protect contains Novamin, an advanced calcium and phosphate technology. A single Novamin particle ranges from about 5 to 20 micrometers in size. When Novamin comes into contact with saliva, it releases calcium and phosphate ions to build a hydroxyapatite-like layer over and within the dentine tubules. This begins with an ionic exchange between sodium in the Novamin and hydrogen from the saliva. This ionic exchange causes a small localized rise in pH that promotes formation of hydroxyapatite. Novamin particles can bind to collagen fibers in dentine. Once deposited, these particles continue to react and act as a calcium and phosphate reservoir to build a hydroxyapatite-like layer over dentine and within the dentine tubules. This hydroxyapatite-like layer is chemically and structurally similar to biological apatite forming the inorganic portion of dentine. The reparative layer formed by Sensodyne Repair and Protect starts to form after the first brushing and promotes the dynamic mineralization of dentine to build a substantive reparative layer over the dentine and within the tubules, which in turn reduces dentine permeability. Decreased permeability can relieve dentine hypersensitivity by decreasing the fluid flow within tubules, thereby reducing the activity of nerve endings. Sensodyne Repair and Protect delivers clinically proven relief